Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another unboxing video for you, and today we got a petrified fish. This is actually model PF818, and I took it out of the shipping package and stuff, but comes in a sleeve. Then this box is still sealed, so we'll open it up. I got the Orion Solaris. So let's cut the tape right there, and let's check this thing out. So I ordered this directly from Petrified Fish. It shipped from China. It took, I don't know, a little over 3 weeks to get it. But you can find these on Amazon, and they're going for $28.99. I bought this, like I said, directly from Petrified Fish for $27.89, and it was free ship. But you can also get these on White Mountain knives. Some are in stock, some are out of stock, but that's another option. And this model, the PF818, is the same price as I paid for this directly from Petrified Fish. But White Mountain Knives, there's plenty of channels. They have a discount code. You know, Big Red EDC's got one. Love Them Knives got one. Knives Fast, there's tons. So probably your favorite channel, they might have a discount code for 10% off White Mountain Knives, so it'll be a little cheaper. But yeah, let's check this out. It's got nice G10. Right there on the flipper tab, it says D2, so it's a D2 blade. On that side, it says 818. Appears to be a little bit dirty. Not bad. Looks like decent blade stock thickness. Got a semi-deep carry pocket clip. It's a loop over clip, but it's not really deep carry. Again, they kind of sacrificed the clip for a lanyard hole, but check the lanyard hole out. Can't see it from this side. It's in the back spacer, and the hole comes out on the clip side. This is for right-hand carry only. Tip up, right-hand carry only. Pretty nice clip. Screws, has button head screws on it, but looks like there's plenty of room. Nice back spacer. I like that hidden, semi-hidden lanyard hole, but I wish they'd moved the clip up. Like I said, G10's nicely contoured. You can see this line is, I don't know what you want to call it, kind of fuller type of thing. Pivot, get it in the right light, there we go. PF, Petrified Fish. So let's open this bad boy. Oh, nice. Check the blade out. Now, I don't know if you can see the grinds. You got this wedge on top. This isn't really a flat, this is kind of angled. Also, there's 3 angles on this, so that's kind of unique. Hopefully my Work Sharp precision adjust sharpener there clamp onto this. I think it will. It's got good jimping. Yeah, I like that jimping. I got a band-aid on this thumb, so can't really tell. Try it left-handed. Not bad jimping. Doesn't feel too bad in hand. Feel that pocket clip. Feel the point of this just a little bit. Not bad. Pretty neutral handle. I like that. Like I said, pretty good jimping. Yeah. 29, or actually $27.89, 28 bucks. Nice stone wash on there. It's a little different looking stone wash than usual. Got stainless steel liners, end set into the G10 scales. You can see it's got some machining, some skeletonization on that side. Those holes could be bigger, but does not feel heavy at all. We'll weigh it. I think I saw it was like 3.6 ounces. Yeah, it closes nice. Snappy coming out. Oh yeah, wow. It's almost drop shutty. I think that'll break in a little bit. Maybe it needs a little cleaning, a little blowing out, and just a little bit of oil. Well, that's pretty good right out of the box for less than a $30 knife. Yeah, let's check it out. These are 1-inch squares. So I got written down it's 8.07 inches. Put that right on the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's just sliding it up someplace. Try it right here. It's just hanging over that line. So yeah, 8.07 blade. It's about 3.5. 1, 2, 3. Maybe just a touch over 3.5 inches. Handle, line it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. About 4.5 inches. Handle, grip area. Let's try that right about there. 1, 2, 3. Almost 4 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Dang near 4 inches of handle. Like I always say, I wear extra large size gloves. I got plenty of room. Pretty comfortable in hand, no doubt. Easy access to that lock bar. Easy access, that's nice. You can see the pivot ball, detent ball I mean, right in there. So it's got a pretty early detent right here. Oh yeah. I'm way past it. Yeah, it's easy to get past that detent ball to close it. What else? Very nice. Good lockup. Boy, I gotta work on my lighting. Let's let me get my flashlight. Right there, you can see that better. It's fully on. You know, it's only about 35%. No blade play, no lock rock. It's pretty solid. And yeah, it's already getting smoother. Turn my light off. I'm liking this for $28. No kidding, it's pretty nice. And I've seen channels, YouTube channels that have tested the blade and it says it's D2, and what they tested, it appears to be D2 like it says. So yeah, let's do some size comparisons real quick. Paramilitary 2, Para 3 lightweight. You can see it's a little shorter than the PM2, quite a bit longer than the Para 3. How about full-size Griptilian? Oh, they're actually overall length. That's pretty close. Guess I'll leave that there for now. How about the full-size bug out? It's quite a bit longer than the bug out. And since it was my carry for today, how about the Orion Solaris. Overall length, yeah, it's a little longer than the Solaris. Blade's a little bit longer, handle's a little longer. Yeah, this is a pretty awesome knife. How about one of my new damn designs? How about the Basilisk? Basilisk is, well, it's pretty close. Handle on the Petrified fish is, oh, maybe not. They're dang close overall length. Obviously, it's a lot lighter, a lot shorter in height. But yeah, I guess that's it for size comparisons. And yeah, let's check this thing out. I'm liking this. My first petrified fish. And again, this is PF818. So yeah, I don't think I'd be put off to getting another petrified fish knife. I may look on White Mountain Knives. Amazon will not send flippers or anything to New York State. I'm missing out on some good deals, and because of that, yeah, I might look on White Mountain Knives, see what's available. I was on there the other day, and some you can add to your cart, some are, you know, it says notify me. So when I ordered this, they really didn't have much. I think they had one that I wanted, and I ended up going to the actual Petrified Fish site and picking this one up. I thought it looked pretty cool. The grinds on the blade, like I said, I don't think yeah, you can see that grinds at an angle. So try to get back here. Blade stock is 0.138. Handle thickness is 0.528. Really doesn't seem that thick, but it feels good. Yeah, we didn't weigh it. Let's weigh it real fast. Turn it on. New scale. I don't know how to use it yet. Okay, it's in pounds and ounces. I get 3.7, yeah, 3.7 ounces. I think I saw someplace I got written down 3.67. So mine only goes one decimal place. So get that out of the way. Yeah, Petrified Fish. Strange name. Very budget, but it looks good. It hits above its price range, no doubt. I'm really kind of amazed by the action. Well, it just rockets out. I don't know if I could fail it. And try push button. Nope. I think it's going to open no matter. Yeah, no matter how lightly you do it, it's going to open. Yeah, pretty awesome. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, it feels very smooth. Yeah, that's very smooth. Don't feel the bearings rolling or anything. It does have bearings. I don't know if it's steel, ceramic. I'll have to find out. Got decent stop pin. Yeah, it locks up good. Out of curiosity. Well, that feels sharp. Wow. Let me get a piece of paper real fast. Come on. Just a regular piece of notebook paper. Oh. Yeah, that is. Super sharp right out of the box. Nice. 28 bucks. Boy, if this doesn't, one of these petrified fishes does not make somebody's list of top budget knives this year, they didn't try it. Yeah, that's pretty nice. So yeah, be on the lookout for a review video on this one after I use it for a while. I have several reviews coming out. One is on the Orion Solaris. I got 2 damn design knives to do. I got a Kershaw bare knuckle to do. Yeah, I've got some really nice knives lately. And this one's the cheapest one at 27 whatever, 28 bucks. Free shipping. It just took about 3 weeks to get. Actually, I wasn't expecting it today. Tracking said it was still out Los Angeles, so I thought it'd be another week. So it came a little faster than I thought. Oh, pocket clip. Says David Chen. I'm only assuming that is a designer. Might be the owner of the company. I have no idea. I do not know much about petrified fish, other than they had some cool looking knives, and the videos I've watched on them were all positive, and yeah, this is pretty positive. I'm liking this one. It's nice. So yeah, that's it. Just a quick first impressions, first look video. As usual, you like these videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Watch my last video. I'll put it in the end cards popping up any second to my giveaway knife, or my giveaway video. I am giving away the Asher Nomad frame lock. You don't want to miss a chance on winning this beauty. S35 VN steel, natural G10 scale, stainless steel liner lock, deep carry pocket clip. Action on this thing's pretty awesome too. Can't beat it. This was supposed to have been for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I didn't get it in time, so it's getting its own giveaway. It's getting its own party going, because it's a pretty awesome knife. It deserves it. So I guess that's it for this video. Until the next one, bye.